how to fix Facebook code from 6 digit not received. So hello guys, how to fix this problem is very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings page on your phone and then go to apps and go to apps right here. Scroll down between all those apps, you need to find Facebook and click on it, and then click here on force stop. And after that, all what you have to do now is very easy. Click on storage, click here on clear data, and then all what you have to do is go to the power user details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert, and then click here on app launch and choose manage automatically. Make sure to enable this problem, and after that click on force stop and reopen Facebook, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.